In today's video, I'm going to teach you two magic sliders for fast, smooth selections in Photoshop 2026. If you've ever removed a background and ended up with rough edges or a visible white outline around your subject, this technique can save you a lot of time. Instead of redoing the selection from scratch, Photoshop gives you two simple controls that can quickly clean things up and make your cutouts look much more polished. This is especially useful for product images, ads, and graphic design work where clean edges really matter. To begin, open the image you want to work with. Go to File, then Open, choose your image, and click Open. In general, a sharper and clearer image gives Photoshop a better starting point, so it's helpful to use a photo with good contrast between the subject and the background whenever possible. Next, go to the Select menu and choose Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and detect the main subject for you. This is a great time saver because it gives you a fast-paced selection without having to trace everything manually. Once the subject is selected, go to the Layers panel in the bottom right corner and click the Add Layer Mask icon, the small rectangle with a circle inside it. This creates a layer mask which hides the background instead of permanently deleting it. That's important because it keeps your editing non-destructive, meaning you can always come back and refine the result later. Now, click on the Layer Mask thumbnail so Photoshop knows you want to edit the mask. Then open the Select menu again and choose Select and Mask. This workspace is designed specifically for refining selections, and it's where the two sliders in this tutorial are located. On the right side, in the Properties panel, find the Smooth slider. Increase it to somewhere around 10 to 20. This helps remove jagged, uneven edges and gives your selection a cleaner shape. It works especially well on product shots, logos, packaging, and other images where smooth outlines are important. Just below the refinement controls, find Shift Edge. Move it slightly to the left, usually around -5% to -15%. This pulls the edge inward and helps eliminate unwanted white halos or light fringing around the subject. A small adjustment is usually enough, so avoid pushing it too far. When you're happy with the result, scroll down to Output Settings and set Output 2 to Current Layer Mask. Then click OK. This applies the refinements directly to your existing mask while keeping everything flexible and editable. And that's how you can create smoother, cleaner selections using the Smooth and Shift Edge sliders in Photoshop 2026. These two controls are simple, fast, and incredibly useful for more professional-looking cutouts. Thanks for watching.